Hey, what's up guys, it's Silver Seeker, and today we have a silver unboxing to do for you. I know we don't do as many of these as we've been in the past, just with the markets being crazy, and it's kind of hard to get my hands on all the silver I used to be able to get for these unboxings, but we do have one for you today with my very dull knife as we cut into this and open it up. And of course inside we have our classic white foam, like so. So I did order a couple of different things, and this package actually took multiple weeks to arrive. Now normally, these packages arrive just a couple of days after I placed the order. This one arrived today. 1 day from being 2 weeks ago that I ordered this. So it is crazy to think that it's taken this long for it to get here, considering what I am used to, but it is here. So inside this package, guys, are going to be all sorts of silver. Now, I'm sure they're individually wrapped in their little plastic pouches like they like to do. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, yes, we have plastic pouches. We have sheets. We have wrapped bubble mailers. And inside here, we have an invoice, which I will get out later. So let's take a look and see what we have today. So it looks like we have like a little quarter sheet here, 5 of the 20. We have in beautiful 4K a 2015 1-ounce silver Year of the Ram. We have 5 of these. Absolutely gorgeous 1-ounce silvers. Absolutely love those. So we got some of those in. We also have 5 of these 2016 1-ounce silver Year of the Monkeys. These are also inside the original plastic. And we have right here, this is a 2019 Year of the Pig. We actually got quite a few of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So they just cut the sheet up, I suppose. But either way, we have 5 of the 2019 Year of the Pig 1-ounce silvers. Absolutely gorgeous. We also got ourselves 5 of these Year of the Snakes 2013. These are really, really cool, so I picked up some of those as well. Now, what did we get inside of here? It does appear that they are in capsules. We'll go ahead and cut that open, take a look at what's inside of this bubble mailer. All right, these are the... Okay. Take a look at that, guys. These are the Silver Ship Shilling Restrikes 2021 Netherlands. Those are really cool. They do come in their own capsule. You see you got the shield there. These are restrikes, but very, very cool. And we did pick up a stack of those. We ended up getting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those beautiful bad boys. Those are awesome. Now, of course, if we always going to pick up some other stuff. So I don't like spiders, but I do like the Australian 2015 funnel web 1-ounce silver spiders. These are absolutely gorgeous. So of course we picked up a few of these. Very, very cool. And it looks like we got, I think, did we do 5 or 10 of those? I don't remember. And of course we did pick up some Australian kangaroos. Now we got some more 2016s here. I think I ordered random years, so we actually get to see what years. Now, the 2016s actually are a little bit better lately. They've been going for a little bit higher of a premium, probably just because they are now 5 years old. But we do have the 2016. This one is another 16. We have, these might all be 16s. I'm okay with 16s, that's okay. We have some more funnel web spiders. So we'll set those aside, like so. So I think we got 10 of the funnel webs, and then let's see, 16. These may all be 16s. Even though they're random years, it does appear... Oh, those aren't kangaroos. It does appear that we got all 16. So, yep, 2016, 2016. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what else we have in here, because we also picked up a few of these. Now these we have had before. These are really, really gorgeous. These are the 2020 Nui 1-ounce silver. These are the Celestial Animal series, and this is the Red Phoenix. Very, very gorgeous 1-ounce silver design right there. I do like that design right there in the center with the Red Phoenix up on one leg. And then you got like an ornamental wreath going around the outside. 1 ounce of 999 fine silver. So we actually picked up, I believe, 10 of those as well. So in total, guys, we got ourselves 10 of the red phoenixes, 10 of the funnel web spiders, 10 of the kangaroos, we got 10 of the silver ships, the shilling restrikes, and then we got 5 each of these different years of lunars. We got 5 pigs, 5 snakes, 5 of the year of the monkeys, and last but not least, 5 of the year of the ram. So there you go. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. We like to do silver unboxings like this whenever we get an opportunity. Of course, we don't get to do them all the time, but anytime I can do them, I do enjoy doing them. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.